Bissell 3-in-1 Turbo Vacuum Cleaner review. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Bissell 3-in-1 Turbo Vacuum Cleaner. But before I do that, I just wanted to mention that this has been my vacuum cleaner for the last past 7 years, and this is the Bissell Magic Vac, and still it works. It's just the handle broke, but I didn't mind that, and I spent only $20 for this. I do have a separate review on this, and you can watch it on this channel. Now I had no complaint about this, but I just wanted to try a one level variation or one level higher than this, which is the Bissell 3-in-1 Turbo Vacuum Cleaner. Now here is how it looks, and you can see that the one I just showed you, the Magic Vac, it does not have any motorized brush or rolling brush, but this one I think has a brush, and we're going to take a look at it. You can see here that it's a motorized brush for powerful pickup, and I haven't opened the box yet, and it can be folded to do quick cleanup from your sofa or car or any small spaces, as you can see right here. And then also this is you can convert it. So I'm just going to quickly take a look what we have in the box. So the first thing we're looking at is the top handle, or sorry, not the top handle, the head part. And here you can see the rolling brush, and we're going to quickly take a look at that also. And then here we have the vacuum cleaner, and let me just open this as well. And you can see that this is the dust cup, and you can easily take this out, and that's how you clean the filter, or not the filter, you have to just dust off from the cup. And I see that they have a small packaging right here to protect from the shipping. So that's where the it's going to pick up the airflow. So I'm just going to remove that, and I'll put this back here. Okay, so once you put in place, there should be a click noise, and let me see, I think I didn't do it properly. Okay, now it looks like it's okay. And then let me see if there's anything else here. And this is the handle, but I don't know if the handle is going to break like the Bissell Magic Vac. So I have to see how long the handle lasts. But this feels like a little bit more durable than the Magic Vac. So hopefully it's not going to give too much trouble. Now, if you do not want to use the head or the handle, you can just use it this way to do quick pickup jobs on your sofa, or just say here and there, or on the corner. And if you want to attach the head or this part, then all you have to do, you have to just kind of slide it in, and you see that it's in its place. So now if you want to attach the handle, you have to just slide it here, and I think there should be some kind of mechanism to keep it in place. And let me see if okay, so I think, let me just put it here. So you can see I attach it to the main portion. Now there is this one is a little bit tricky. Let me just show you. So when you insert it all the way, there should be a click, and for example, let's say I'm putting it in, and it should match with the the handle and the main part in the same direction. So if you do it this way, it's not going to work. So it has to be this way, and once you put it all the way, you should hear a click. So for example, you heard that click, so that means now it is attached. And in order to slide this brush roll, so you have to just put it in here, and let's see. So you can see that there's plug here, which should match with the part right here. So if you slowly, okay, put it this way. Now this part, I don't know if this is going to last long. It feels like a little bit flimsy, but hopefully, you know, it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to turn it on for the first time, and see what happens. So you can see that it's working perfectly, and I just want to see how much is the suction. Okay, so it has good power, much like, you know, it's much more stronger than the Magic Vac, and this one, like, you know, I'm not sure yet if I'm going to keep the broken Magic Vac, which I've been using for 7 years, or throw it away. But this is, you know, looks like it will do the job, and you have the option to remove everything and just use this as a separate portion, which is not bad at all. So this goes for like $50 to $70 Canadian. You might be able to get it on sale, but usually, like, you know, it's 50 to 70 in that range. Just one tip that I noticed that this was actually cheaper on Walmart than Amazon. So I just bought it from Walmart, and it was free shipping because it was, like, you know, above their free shipping threshold. So for that reason, if you are buying this online, just check a few sites and buy from where you're getting the best price. So this is Bissell 3-in-1 Turbo Vacuum Cleaner. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.